company is doing operationally, what will I look at? I would look at two things. Number one, is the sales increasing? And number two, are the expenses decreasing or under control? तो अगर मैं देखता हूँ कि एक कंपनी की सेल इज इंक्रीजिंग and the expenses are either decreasing or in control. So when I say in control, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर मेरी सेल्स 20% से बढ़ रही है तो मेरे खर्चे 20% से बढ़े तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे खर्चे अगर 22% से बढ़े या 25% से बढ़े, when my sales is increasing by 20%, that means something is wrong. So for evaluating my operating performance, please remember operating performance का मतलब क्या है? Your performance of your operations, यानी कि आपका gross profit और आपकी EBITDA और आपकी EBIT. So that is your operating performance. Operating की मेरे operations की efficiency क्या है, मेरे operations का क्या contribution है, ये मालूम करने के लिए मुझे देखना पड़ेगा is sales increasing and expenses are either under control or decreasing. If I have to look at my financial performance, अगर मुझे मेरी कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस इवैल्यूएट करनी है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे तीन चीजें देखनी पड़ेंगी. सबसे पहले मुझे देखना पड़ेगा हाउ इज माय ऑपरेशनल परफॉर्मेंस. प्लीज रिमेंबर, दुनिया में किसी भी कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं हो सकती अगर उस कंपनी की ऑपरेशनल परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है. Isn't it? So if the operating performance is not good, company's financial performance cannot be good. Because ultimately finance will improve only if the operations are improving. So what I would look at is, I would look at number one, how is my operating performance? And number two, I would look at how is my interest cost? Is my interest cost under control or it is decreasing? And I would look at the taxes also. Are my taxes, when I say taxes means income tax, the corporate tax. So is my tax under control or it is decreasing? तो अगर मैं देखूं कि मेरी ऑपरेटिंग परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी है, इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट मेरी या तो कम हो रही है या अंडर कंट्रोल में है, टैक्सेस मेरे या तो कम हो रहे हैं या कंट्रोल में है, आई कैन सेफली से दैट दिस कंपनीज फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस इज गुड.
How will you decrease the taxes?
Yeah, very good. That's a good point. So you know what happens? A lot of these companies, one of the reason as to why companies do capex, depreciation. So when you do capex, you get depreciation, and you get depreciation which is higher during the initial period, and thereby your taxable profit go down. So that helps you to reduce your tax liability. And that is how your taxes will go down. So if a company is making profit and it is flowing back those profits back into the business, and also bringing more capital either by way of debt or by way of equity, OPEX will help you to reduce your tax liability. Now a lot of these mergers and amalgamations decisions are also driven by the tax. So you will have a profit making company getting merged into a loss-making company. And why would they do that? Because the losses of a loss-making company, the past losses of the loss-making company are available for the profit-making company to set off. So अगर एक मैंने loss-making company में merge हो गया और उसके 100 करोड़ के losses हैं, इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि जब तक ये 100 करोड़ के losses मेरे future profits के against में set off नहीं हो जाते हैं, मुझे टैक्स भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. So this is how the companies will use the tax planning and bring the taxes down. So that is how you would achieve. Now how do you evaluate the overall performance? For the overall performance, first thing I would look at how is the financial performance, and then I would look at is the business adding assets. Please remember, purpose of a business is to create value, and you will create value when you are growing. So when you are growing, that means you are adding more assets. So if a business is adding more assets, that means the overall performance of this business is good. Now what I would like all of you to do with this additional information that you see on the screen, look at your analysis once again and see as to does it make you think differently with regard to your earlier conclusion. And if it is so, make those adjustments. And again, you have a time of 5 minutes and 25 seconds.